Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. I know you all are missing the school, but don't worry, we will have fun together here. Tell me children, do you remember what all you have learnt in standard 1 and 2 in the computers? Yes? Okay. So friends, do you remember you have learned that we can do so many work with help of computers. Like you can type, you can draw and paint, you can watch movies, you can listen to music and many more. And you have also learned that we can do calculations with help of computer. Calculations? What is calculation? Suppose if I tell you to add two numbers, what you will do? You will use your fingers like this. Tell add 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, you will get 5. Like this you will do children, right? Now suppose if I tell you to add the bigger numbers. For that you have to use calculator. Calculator? What is calculator? Calculator is a small machine used for calculating numbers. Do you want to see how to use this calculator? Yes? Let's see. Now, suppose if I tell you to add the bigger numbers. So for that you will use this calculator. This is known as manual calculator. Now how to use this? I will show you now. Suppose bigger number than this. Then how you will do? Understood children? So for adding bigger numbers we use this manual calculator. So friends, now you have seen how to use the manual calculator. Now I will show you how to use this calculator in your computer. Are you ready for this? Okay, let's start. So children, before we start, let me make few things very clear children. Here see, as you all know, I am shooting with my mobile and I am focusing it on the laptop screen, that is the monitor. So it will appear like this. As you can see now, it is appearing wavy. At times it will be a bit shaky and sometimes in some point it may be little blurred. So because when it focuses, it starts with the blurred point only for few seconds. So but don't worry, you will be able to see the calculator, the operations, the steps what I am showing, everything clearly. Okay? So children, now I will show you how to use calculator in the computer. I will start with showing you how to open or how to start calculator in the computer. As you all know children, in Notepad and Paint also you have learned how to start. Same way we have to start or open the calculator. The method, the steps are same. First you have to take your cursor to the start button. Click on start button and then you have to search for the calculator. If you get that application here, very good, you can click and the calculator will open. Suppose if you don't get here, you can just type CAL and you will get the calculator app here, the application. So children, now you can see the calculator has been opened here after clicking on calculator. So this is the calculator app. Okay children, now I will zoom it for you so that you can see it clearly. See children, here you know this is the title bar, and why it is known as title bar you have already learned in MS Paint and Notepad also. Same way here also we have the title bar, and here in the right side corner we have three buttons: minimize, restore and close. But as you can see here children, the middle button is not highlighted because we are not allowed to use it, because we can't maximize the calculator app here. But this minimize and close button you can use. And you all can see here so many buttons are there here. Yes children. Now here you have the numbers, that is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this you have the number buttons. And here are the 4 operation buttons which I will be explaining you in the detail. Okay, and here we have few buttons with the name MC, MR, MS, M plus, M minus, CE, C. See children, other this all buttons we are not going to learn now, as of now. But the C button we are going to use, which stands for clear. This button we use it for clearing the screen, that is a calculator screen, this screen. Okay, and all these different operations also we are not going to use. We are just going to use the basic operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay children, I hope now you can see it clearly. I have zoomed the screen for you to see it very clearly. So first we will start with this plus sign, that is the addition. Okay, for that first you have to click number, single digit or double digit, you can. Okay, now after that you have to click on this plus sign. Once you click on plus sign, you can see on the screen the plus sign here, it appears here. Yes, after that again you have to click on any number or numbers. Okay, so now to get the answer we have to click on this equal to sign. Now let us see what happens when I click on the equal to sign. See, you got the answer 35. Understood children how to use this plus sign? Okay, now before we go to the next sum, always we have to click on this C button, that is clear. Okay, whenever, please remember that whenever you go to the next sum, you have to click on C button. Okay, now here first how you did, you clicked on the number which is shown in the screen here. You can do this sum using your keyboard also. Okay children, your keyboard what you have with the computer, that keyboard has a number keypad. Yes, that keypad also you can use to do this calculation. Okay, now next we will do this subtraction, that is a minus sign. Here also before that first you have to click on any number, then click on this minus sign. Same way how plus you got, same way here minus sign also is appearing on the screen. Observe that. Now click on any number, whichever number you want, and then click on equal to. Okay children, you will get the answer. Now one more thing I want to tell you here, as I told you, you can use your keyboard, computer keyboard. In that, to get the answer you have to click on the enter key. So this is the enter key children. Here you have to use the enter key. If you are using the computer keyboard, you have to use this enter key instead of equal to key. Okay children. So now first we will click on C before going to the next sum. Okay, now next we are going to see. Now we will move to the next operation, that is multiplication. Children, you can see here the multiplication sign, that is the symbol is little different. Usually how you will use children? The X sign. Yes, but here it is like asterisk, like star. Okay, that symbol is little different. But remember this sign is for multiplication. So same way you have to type the number first. Okay, then you have to type on this and then any one number. As you can see children, here the multiplication sign is appeared. Now to get the answer, what you have to do? You have to click on equal to sign. Yes? Understood? Now we will clear. Now we will do the last operation, that is division. Here also the sign, the symbol is different. Usually how you will use children? The symbol for division, yes, a small dash and two dots. But here it is different. It is like a slash. Okay children? Now we will use this. As you know, you have to type two numbers. Click on that symbol, the sign, the button, the key, and again the number. And before we go to the number, you can see the division sign here. Okay, you have to press any one number and equal to sign for getting the answer. See, like this. You got the answer children? Okay. So I hope now we all understood the plus, minus, multiplication and division operations how to do in the calculator. Okay children? And the step for closing the calculator is also same as you do for Notepad and MS Paint. You have to take your cursor and click on this close sign, that is the X sign. You can just click on that. The calculator will be closed. Okay children? Now you all know how to start, how to use and how to close the calculator. So now let us start with page number 26, that is let's revise. Here see children, what is the instruction? I will zoom it. Okay. By using the calculator, solve the following sums. See children, now you have seen, now you have learned how to use the calculator in the computer. How I have showed you, how I have explained you, same way you have to use the calculator in the computer and solve these sums. Okay. So in the first I have given 5 sums of additions. Okay children, I have showed you in the video. You can refer the video again and do according to that. How we have to do? You have to type this number first, that is 23. Then press on the plus sign and then on this second number, that is 45, and press on equal to sign. You will get the answer and you have to write that answer here. Okay children? Same way, second, third, fourth and fifth sum you have to do. As you all can see, here I have given 2-digit numbers, here 3-digit and here 4-digit. Whatever the operation, the steps, the method is same. Do and write the answer here in this given space here. Okay children? Here. Same way you have to do the next, that is subtract the following. That is the subtraction operation you have to use. That is a minus. You all can see here I have given 2-digit, then 3-digit, then 4-digit. You have to do the sum. Write the answer here in the given space here. Okay. Now we'll turn to next page. There I have given the third part, that is multiplication. The instruction here is multiply the following numbers. Okay, multiplication. As I have showed you in the video, same way you have to type this number, then the into sign. As you all know, in the calculator the into sign is different. Okay, it is like star shape, like this. That symbol you have to press, that key you have to press, then the next number, then you have to press the equal to sign. You will get the answer. That answer you have to write here. Okay, same way all the 5 sums you have to do. Now comes the next part, that is the division. Divide the following. As you know children, here the division sign is different. Yes, the same sign it is there in the calculator, that is slash. As you have seen the division sign, like this sign you have seen, but here it is slash in the calculator, that is in the computer also it is slash only. Okay, so type the number, click on the slash key then the next number, then equal to, you will get the answer, you have to write the answer here. Okay, same way you have to do the rest of the sum. So like this, for each operation I have given 5 sums, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. I have given 5 sums, you have to solve that. Okay, and always click on this equal to button for getting the answer. Okay children, you will do now, you will practice now children. Okay, those who have computer can use the calculator in computer and practice. Those who don't have, no problem, at least you can see this and learn it. Okay children, bye.